Fun.
Okay, today I'm gonna cook the weirdest food in the world. So I have this head, lamb head. So we have the eyes, the tongue, and inside the brain. So I am gonna go ahead and cook it. Let me see if I can open it. Ooh, ooh. Yes, show you the brain, guys. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna cook this and I'm gonna let you know how it's gonna taste. Okay, see you guys.
Fun.
Okay, I'm gonna add some water and some salt and pepper. That's it. Salt. And I'm gonna put it straight on the oven. I'm gonna cover it like this. Alright guys, the head is out from the oven. I leave it cooked for more than 2 hours. So let's see how it's gonna taste. Okay boys, I have a surprise for you. Very nice and delicious lunch. Here we go.
What is that?
This is the head. We're gonna try it, guys. We're gonna eat this together.
This is a
Let's
bit of a
see.
lamp.
Okay.
That's the brain.
Yeah. You wanna try the brain?
Has a small brain.
You wanna try? Try the brain. I'm gonna try.
Go for it.
I'm not
Ooh,
gonna
it's
brain.
melted.
Go for it, man.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put some cumin.
I want that piece.
Not bad
It's a bit
actually.
hot.
Wow. How is it, Jazzy? Who's gonna eat the eye?
Not me. Not me.
Yes, you.
That's what it tastes like.
How is it?
Tastes like
We see the eye.
Oh no! Do not put that in my plate. I don't want to eat the eye. It looks nasty. Looks like
Oh
It
my
looks
God.
like eat it in one bite. One bite. Mine, eat it in one bite.
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know
One
about the
bite, do
eye,
it.
but people eat the eye usually.
Oh, the pupil just
He
popped
says the
out.
best bite. It's the
That's
best bite.
That's
Let's try
weird.
the tongue.
Okay. I'm not gonna eat the tongue. I'm good.
Yummy.
It's good.
It tastes like it.
It's very fatty. Tastes like a sheep head. You sure?
Right, the way they eat it.
It's
Right.
hot. What? It's a bit hot.
It's so yummy, really. I'm like, that's for Ryan with the eye. If you finish it, Ryan, we take you to the movie theater.
I don't want to finish this. It's good
I'm
though.
gonna
Thank
try
you.
the brain.
Thank you, Mama. Not in my plate.
Not bad. Seriously.
Who's eating the sheep? Well, sheep are dumb because it has such a tiny brain.
Tiny brain. Did you eat it? Yes, guys. Yes, guys, it's good. Believe me, this thing is good.
What this is?
Wow, this is cumin. He says, I called my mother back home. She says better way to eat it with the cumin,
How you do it? Doing? Show us.
like this.
I don't like cinnamon.
I love it. This
No,
thing is
my
good.
grandfather used to make the tongue with the egg.
Oh,
With egg. It's
we're gonna
very
cook it,
tasty.
try it. We will try it. Okay, guys, I like you. I hope you like the video. And put subscribe for us, please. There is more we're gonna cook. Bizarre and weird food. So follow us, okay? Thank you for watching.
Make sure to like and subscribe if you like our videos, and if you don't,
And
then
don't eat
dislike
the
us. Fine
eyeballs.
with us. as well.
Don't eat the eyeballs.
Somebody gonna eat the eyeball.
I'm gonna get this part.
How is it, Ryan? Ooh,
This tastes
it's tasty, right?
like
It tastes like lamb head. It's weird, right?
tastes like a on it.
What's that?
Eye.
Oh my, what's that, man?
The eye.
No, not for me, Sonny.
I like this meat here. It's tasty. But the
what
eye,
about
I'm not
this?
sure about the eye. No.
Eat this.
No.
Brain.
The brain.
Yeah. The brain.
Oh, yes?
Eat the brain.
Oh, but you eat it.
Eat the brain.
Take
it.